Friday workshop.
What are we doing this week?
This week we're making bookmarks.
Yeah, we're making them out of maple and leather. They are absolutely incredible. And we just had some Scrapwood lying over, and we needed to make a gift like really fast for a Christmas party. So, how do you make a really fast gift out of some extra Scrapwood?
Let's find out.
I think I'm gonna pull some Scrapwood out of here for the bookmark. This is a good start for a darkwood one, for sure. All right, so here we go. We're gonna set this whole thing up right now. It's critical that they're flat. And this is, we're good to go. There. And then with veneers, we just want to get this as thin as we can possibly get. We're gonna try it and see if this works. Let's do a test piece. And that just cuts it off. Just a little too thin on that one there.
Hey Dad, I like your makeshift glove. Right now we're sanding these down. 120 grit sandpaper right here. So we're gonna sand these all down. Hey Dad, what do you got this measured out to?
Well, I got it measured out to this one scrap one, which is about 8.5. The problem here is that these are sliding under because it's too thin. So I'm not going to be able to cut these really with this. I'm just going to have to eyeball it, which is fine. So I'll do that. Good luck. Wish me luck.
Good luck.
Hey, we're using a 1/4-inch drill bit here. We're going to be busting through these. I taped them all together so that the hole is uniform in all of them and that we don't have a lot of tear out. We are also going to use a backing board on the back end of this. But before we do, I realized I'm not going to get it perfectly center. So let's center this up with a measuring tape. All right. So then we've got the center there. There we go.
There we go.
All of that was a little to the right, but I think it'll be fine.
I think that'll work.
You know what time it is? Wait a minute. This isn't my job.
Mineral spirits time! Yeah! You think I have a cold because it's cold?
Yeah, ba-da-bum. How pretty does it look?
Very pretty. Looks like we put like a dark stain on this or something when I wipe this mineral spirits on.
Walnut's amazing.
Oh man. Look at that. Oh, that is beautiful. All right, so we got our beeswax and orange oil right here. We're gonna put on the steel wool. We're gonna buff these all out, make them look all pretty. So here we go. All right, so with this steel wool, it sands it down a little bit. So I'm gonna have to tack it a little bit. I'm gonna have to go a little bit aggressive on it, get it down right in there. And if you can see right here, I'm going with the grain so we don't get all scratchy on our bookmarks.
This looks like it's a good length. And so the best way to do this is to just make sure they're all the same length. Four cut pieces. And then you can knot these whatever way you want. I think I'm just going to make a knot with both pieces, which means I'm just going to be lazy here. Find the center and then knot it on itself. Like this. And then just slide the knot down a little bit. And that looks good.
Hey, Dad, that knot looks a little bit different from the others.
Yeah, board was a little bit thicker, so I was able to put two pieces through and shove it through this way. I kind of like that way. So that's what we got.
The Friday Workshop.
All right, so this is what we made. We made them out of maple and leather.
Yeah.
Holy cow. They're absolutely gorgeous.
They look pretty good, yeah.
Yep. So, bookmarks.
Yeah, so if you like videos like this one, you check out this one.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah.